Today I'm at Travis Wetland. Travis Wetland is a restoration project on the northeastern side of Christchurch. It's quite a large area. I'm going to be walking around the perimeter of the wetland area and stopping to take photos and films as I go. So let's head off along our way. So this is the start point for the Travis Wetland walk. It's about 6.5 kilometres around. Takes about an hour and a half to walk the whole way around. Yeah, so I'm just setting off now. That's looking out over the wetlands from the northeastern side of the park. This is another of the 10 entrances into Travis Wetland. These are some of the historic buildings that belong to the farm that once was here. The Travis Wetland Trust used them for vehicle storage and equipment storage now. This is the interior of the visitor centre. The maps show the progress they expect to make on this area over the next 200 years. I'm on the side track down to the bird hide that looks out over the swamp. Most of the trees around here are Kahikatea trees, which is the dominant kind of tree you find in these wetland areas. That's one of the Kahikatea trees that are growing down here. There's some members from the Travis Wetland group out there doing a bird count or a plant count of some kind. This is the western edge of the park. I'm heading off to the left. The western edge of the wetlands abuts like a whole lot of houses. Be quite nice having the wetlands right over your back fence. I'm down at the southern end of the wetlands. It goes along the edge of QE2 Drive, so you have to walk along the side of the road for a wee while. This is the southeastern edge of Travis Wetland on the corner of QE2 Drive and Travis Road. You have to cross the road close to here and actually walk on the footpath as the track doesn't go along the edge of the road. Frost Road leads down to the main entrance to Travis Wetlands. It's about halfway down the road. You have to walk about 300 metres up Frost Road to get to the main entrance to the wetlands. This is the eastern edge of Travis Wetlands along Frost Road. You walk along the road for a couple of hundred metres down to the main entrance. It's very busy roads down here, so you have to walk on the footpath. You can't walk on the side of the grass, too many cars.